This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Mitsubishi Lancer Evo X and Subaru WRX STI. We'll explore their core differences and help you decide which iconic rally-bred machine best suits your driving style. We'll dive into their engines, handling characteristics, and overall driving feel to give you a clear picture of what each car brings to the table. The Evo X is powered by Mitsubishi's 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, often delivering around 291 horsepower. In contrast, the WRX STI typically boasts a 2.5-liter turbocharged boxer engine, usually producing 305 horsepower. Both cars feature sophisticated all-wheel drive systems, but their specific implementations offer different characteristics and driving dynamics. When it comes to handling, the Evo X's super all-wheel control system is renowned for its precision and ability to vector power. The WRX STI, however, often provides a more visceral and direct connection to the road, appealing to drivers who prefer a raw experience. Both cars excel on twisty roads, but their distinct suspension setups influence ride comfort and track capabilities differently. Considering practicality, both the Evo X and WRX STI offer similar interior space and trunk capacity, making them somewhat usable for daily driving. However, factors like fuel economy, insurance costs, and parts availability can differ, influencing long-term ownership. Ultimately, choosing between them depends on your preference for precision versus raw engagement. And speaking of making things easy, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.